This is my bike check. I have a DK Sickline frame. It's okay. I don't like it that much. But I have Shadow Conspiracy Odin Doherty grips. I like those a lot. Comfy. I have Odyssey Parins. My bars are Nitrous OG, 8.25 rise, 28.5 length. I have the Eastern Choker 3-stem. It's really light and I like it. My forks are Diamondback, hate them so much. I have an Eastern Rim Chrome. I have a Pinchraw Tile 2.3. Like it a lot. I have the Stolen Pivotal plastic seat and the Stolen Thermalite seat post. I have the Eastern pedals and Claire. I like those a lot. I have the Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain and the Hollow 25 sprocket, and then my back rim is a Hollow conversion, and it has a Hollow axle, and then a Primo tile. It's pretty loud. And then I have the Shadow nuts, and that's my bike.